Working away on the Jeep. Got my track bar bracket almost fully welded in. I kind of fucked up right there. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Oh, I got my power steering cooler mounted. Got my PSC pump. Reservoir. Next I can put in the whatchamacallit, the steering box, and then I ordered a Dynatrac Pro Rack 44 front housing. So they're making it right now. It should be here in 3 to 4 weeks, hopefully. And yeah, using the titanium Harbor Freight 342 wire speed, 22.2, and we're using the 30 thousandths wire. My settings were a little different from, those settings that were on there just weren't working for me. Oh, I forgot to mention I got gears. Revolution 513s front and rear. And need to get a hydraulic press. Go order my own pinion and carrier bearing puller. And Pro Rock should be here in like 3 to 4 weeks. I guess they have to make it. And what else? What was I going to say? Sniffing too much paint, maybe. I'm going to have to work on that. Oh well. Oh yeah, I got a Adams rear drive shaft in the box there to replace the stock Behemoth right there. I've been running the front for a couple years now, and first class built to last. Of course, we still have to work on the rear axle. Got a rear axle truss, some brackets, frame side, control arm, skid plates for the front. These are all bent up, so I figure I would reinforce them with the Barnes skid plates. Also, I got some for the rear. I think this one's okay. The one on the other side is a little bit bent up. So yeah, we're gonna do those too, and I'll keep you updated.